Hey buddy, welcome to the first ever episode of Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about how to optimize your Clickfunnels page for use on mobile. See you on the inside. Hey everybody, Keith Bell here from Funnellosophy.com, and welcome to the inaugural episode of Tips and Tricks Tuesday, where every Tuesday I'll be putting out tips and tricks on how to use the Clickfunnels platform more effectively. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to optimize your funnel pages for use on mobile.
According to a recent blog post by Optinmonster, 51% of all website traffic comes through a mobile landing page. And in this article, they talk about the 15 mobile landing page best practices. And the number one best practice is to create a separate mobile landing page.
So what we're going to try to do today is show you the most effective tips and tricks I have to optimize your page for use on mobile. If you like what you see here today, make sure you hit that big thumbs up button, smash that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so that you're notified of when I put out new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 3 o'clock. And with that said, let's switch over to my computer and let's get started.
Okay, here we are inside my Clickfunnels account, and this is a funnel that I'm currently designing for a client. And I just want to use this as an example so that we can show you how to create that separate mobile only page. So if you look at this page on desktop, looks pretty normal, not nothing out of the ordinary here. But when we go up here to the top bar, you can see we're looking at a desktop right now. If I click on mobile, the first thing that jumps out at me is the size of this button. Now, I could very simply change this button and change the digital mobile size down smaller, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the recommendations that Optinmonster put out, and I'm going to create two separate pages, one for desktop and one for mobile. And the best way to do that is to go up here into the settings tab, and we know we're in sections settings tab. We know that we're in the right place because it's green. Okay, if we go down here to a row, it's blue, and of course an element is orange. But we're going to go up here to the settings tab, and I am going to clone this. So now I have two top headers. Now if I was to go over to mobile now, you'll see that I have two top headers, but I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the top one. I'm going to click on the settings tab, and I'm going to go all the way to the bottoms of the sections editing platform here, and I'm going to change this first one to desktop only. So this top header bar is only going to appear on my desktop. And then I'm going to go down here to the next one down, and I'm going to change that to mobile only. The obvious conclusion you can draw here is that if it's on all, if it's clicked to all, then it's going to show up on all the pages. So right now I've got this set up to mobile. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to do the same thing with the main body of our landing page here, and I'm going to clone it. Going to change the top one to desktop only. And I'm going to change the bottom one to mobile only. Okay. And we'll do one more. We'll do the bottom. We'll do the footer. Same thing. We'll clone it. Top we'll change to desktop only. Bottom we'll change to mobile only. Okay. So now essentially what we have is we have two completely separate pages, which means that if I wanted to change thing on this particular side of the funnel, I could do that. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just keeping it simple today. So if I wanted to change, the first thing that jumps out at me is this humongous button. So I'm going to change the settings on that. And we go over here and we see that we have a mobile size setting. This font size controls for just the way that it appears right now. So we're going to change this to, let's change this to 16. That's a little bit too small. Let's change it to 20. How about 19? Okay, so I want a nice clean button there. So I've changed that. Let's change this. I'm not going to go too much smaller with this. Excuse me, I'm going to go down to 22. I just want to change it a little bit, and maybe this section, we'll change this down to let's go 28. Okay, so you do the same thing up here as well. Change the settings here to, let's make this 20, and I'm going to modify the padding here. So I'm going to change the top down to like 10 and the bottom down to 10. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing at the bottom. Good. All right, so now we have a page that is optimized for mobile, and you can do this on every single page that's in your funnel. So hopefully that helps. We'll be exploring this more in our Tips and Tricks Tuesday over the next couple weeks. Take care. Have a great day. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that big thumbs up button, smash that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you're notified of when I put out new content. Take care. Have a great day. Keep funnel hacking.